Hey everyone, this has been an unboxing of the brand new, just came out yesterday as making of this video, 2024 Motorola Edge. This is not the Edge Plus, that is not out yet. This is a new 2024 Edge. And see everything it comes with there. Alright, so then let's get on into this. So this here in the US is $550. So it's definitely not a budget phone. I'd say it's more of a mid-tier phone, of course. Creeping into that almost premium phone pricing. Getting pretty close to it now. I'm sure just like the last year's model of this, it'll probably be on sale in a couple months here. Or maybe even a month. Alright, so no... so you get USB-C to USB-C cord, but there's no actual wall charger with the 2024 Edge. I don't think there was with the 2023 version either. So that's kind of a shame. This can do up to 68 watt charging though, which the Edge Plus from last year came with one of those. Not the regular Edge, but the Edge Plus. So this is very, very skinny, just like last year. I mean, this thing is super skinny. This thing is really nice looking. So you have your camera up there, of course your earpiece speaker. See, we have another speaker down here. We have your SIM card be down there. USB Type C, looks like it'd be a mic. Power button, volume rocker, another mic. So a whole bunch of mics on here. This is that, I think they call it like vegan leather or something like that. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video, but it has like a really, it's like a really cool leathery texture to it with the Motorola symbol right there. Again, this is a really cool feeling phone. And we have our cameras there, 50 megapixel, and of course your flash. Yeah, so very nice looking phone. Again, $550. But let's see if this is worth it when I actually go ahead and use it. Again, this is just an unboxing, so stay tuned. We'll be doing a bunch of videos on this phone to come. A whole bunch of comparisons will be coming soon here. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all have a good one. I'll see you guys next time.